Miserere omnipotens Deus, et dimissis peccatis nostris, perducat nos ad vitam aeternam. I begin with a word in English, and the rest is in Italian, but I want to repeat the words from the responsorial psalm. I will sing a new song to the Lord because he has done marvels. And indeed, not just with me, but with all of us, my brother cardinals.
Giunto nella regione di Cesarea di Filippo,
Pietro, nella sua risposta, coglie tutte e due queste cose.